Ito naman, kakakuha lang namin ni Marco. Last week ba natin kinuha to, no? This is from Secret Fresh. This is Nocto by JP Pining. Gustong-gusto namin to. Actually, pinakita to sa akin ni JP before. Parang December last year yata siya pumunta dito, no? Yung unang kita pa lang namin ito, gustong-gusto na namin. So, ito na siya. Natanggal na namin siya sa box. Gusto ko talaga sa work ni JP Pining is more on the colors talaga. Yung ganito. Para siyang polygon and then different colors siya. Yan, it's an owl. There are 3 versions eh. Isang colorful, isang black, no? Tsaka isang white. Ganda ng pagkagawa ng eyes and the nose, no? Ito pa, may kasama pa tong Certificate of Authenticity. Here you go. This is a 10-inch vinyl figure, colored, edition of 50, 2024. And then signed by the artist, JP Pining. So, Sir JP, thank you so much for this one. Actually, we purchased this last week, no? Nakakuha namin last week. Ganda nito.